guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girls, the two moody chicks. It's your girl Quinda
and your girl Sita.
And as you can notice, I look a little different today. I am wearing contact lenses. So these were given to us by, let me get that in frame, TTDEYE, which means the third eye. Mine is prescription, and the color that I am wearing is Polar Lights Gray. Polar Lights Gray. So, here we go. Yeah. So, this company reached out to us and sent us these contact lenses. We picked 2 colors each that we both liked. I have to wear prescription lenses, so these are a -2 prescription because I'm nearsighted. But I will say that these are very comfortable. The lenses are very soft. They went in very easily. So it actually comes in this box. Yep, that just fell out. So like it came with little inserts, it came with stickers. They gave us a contact case for each set of contacts that we have. Inside the case is some little grips so you can pick up the contact lenses, because I do normally have long nails, so that way it won't tear up the lens. It also comes with a little suction cup balancer thing that you pick up your contact lens with and you pop it in your eye. So these are, this is the case with everything in it. Let's see, block out some of that light. But yeah, so these lenses are very comfortable. They sent us 2 each, and then this is the other color they sent. I think it's called Honey. Doesn't have a name on this package. It's like a honey brown color. There we go. So yeah. Also, they have instructions on the package on how to put them in your eye. Comes with a mirror, little compact mirror. It comes with some little glitter gems, a little welcome card. There we go. And stickers, which are really cute. It's like eyeballs and trees and cars and stuff, like little tropical stuff. But yeah, the packaging is very nice. Like on the contact lenses and everything is really nice packaging. They put a lot of thought into it. And then the colors are kind of like representative of the color contact lenses. Like these are like a honey brown color, so that's what the package looks like. These are Polar Lights Gray, and it has a picture of the actual color on the back. So yeah. Sita, you can show them yours.
So I got the real khaki, and then I'll show y'all how they look in my eyes, and then I'll show y'all how I put them in. And then Euramerican Brown-Green. So I'm excited to see how these look. Of course, I'm going to show y'all how they look on camera. They also gave some little glitter stuff. So I'm guessing it's like go in your cheeks or your eyes or something.
Or so nails too.
Or nails, yeah. They gave a lot of little knickknacks, so that's cute. Like,
yeah, it all came in this box. The TTDEYE box. The third eye box. And that's a cute name too. I like that name.
It is.
But yeah, so basically with any contact lens, like they're not all created equal. So by me having to wear prescription lenses, they tend to be a little thicker. These are very soft. Feels like I can wear them all day and wouldn't have any issues or discomfort. I'll let you get a little closer. And they are not very detectable. Of course, most black people don't have like eyes this color, so people would know. But if you look, you don't see that hard like brown outline of my natural eye color. They move easily with my eyes, so they are very undetectable if you get a more natural color. So they're about $35 to $40 a pair, but you get all of this stuff that's in the box. Also, it's not like the beauty supply contacts that are very flimsy and thin. I used to wear those back in the day, didn't we?
Yeah,
we used to sport the contact lenses. I had purple, I had turquoise, I had hazel, I had brown. I don't know why I bought brown, but I did. I had gray. Purely cosmetic, because back then I wasn't nearsighted, so I didn't need to wear them for vision correcting. I'm just gonna go ahead and put her contact lenses in and let you guys see that. Okay guys, and now you see that I have the honey brown color. I'm not sure of the exact name because it did not come with the name, but it did come in this package, and it is like a honey brown color. This is it up close, and it does match well with my natural eye color. It actually kind of blends in pretty good. I have like medium brown colored eyes, and these definitely accent them, and you can see a little bit of my natural eye color, but like the outer ring is like a brown, and then it's like a hazily kind of honey brown color. So that's how those look. Now Sita's going to show you how to put the contact lenses in. Also, we're going to give you our coupon code right here, which is 2 Moody Chicks, our channel name, also our Instagram name. So if you do want that coupon code, go ahead and put in 2 Moody Chicks and use the link in the description box, and go ahead and get you a pair, girl.
Save you some money.
Save you some money, because your girls be looking out for you. All right, go ahead, show up, Satan.
If I still remember how to do this, it's been a minute.
Show them the little thing that you're about to use to grip the contact lens. So that's like the tweezer grips, and they have like little rubber or silicone on the tip so it won't tear the lenses. I mean, the little suction thing. And that's like, it's kind of like a little suction thing that balances the contact lens, so you just pop them right in. See if I can do this on camera. See if I'm gonna hit y'all with the Insta.
No.
Oh, blinked right back out.
Damn it. I almost had it.
Take 2. And roll your eye once you put it on there.
Out again. Went right on. I needed the mirror.
She needed the mirror. She couldn't do it with the lens. Couldn't do it with the lens. Now, what color is that? Eurasian.
Euramerican Brown-Green.
Okay, the Euramerican Brown-Green. Get up close and let them see it. And you can see the difference. Yeah, see, when you put contacts in, it kind of runs for a couple seconds. Kind of gets watery for a couple seconds. So.
And then, you know, I kept touching on it too. It made it probably a little bit worse, but. So, this is that with the contact. And then this is my regular eyes. Pretty?
Cute.
So it looks pretty natural to me. It still looks pretty close to like black girl friendly eyes.
Yeah, my first color was more extreme. It was more of like the, you know, like the icy kind of, you know, extreme look. But this is more of a natural eye color, and then the color that Sita just put in too is very natural, and it is like chocolate girl friendly. We look really cute in these colors, so I'm loving it. And like, oh, also the prescription lenses, like I said, it does actually correct vision. Like it is my correct prescription strength to correct my nearsightedness. I did test it out. I was looking at stuff from a distance to make sure I could read it. So. Yeah.
At least I picked it out first.
She's about to put the other lens in so you guys can see it with both eyes. First time's a charm, baby. I tell you, because we used to wear contacts so much back in the day, so.
Yep.
become slightly professional.
So that's cute. I like it. It looks really good with this green too. And so that's it with the mirror light off. So you can actually see the colors better with the light off. Oh, that's cute. And then my big Barbie doll lashes.
I'm lashless, y'all. Because it's late at night and your girl is tired.
But we want to get it filmed. So I'm going to come back with my other pair. And I don't know if I'll put it on camera, but I'll come back with my other pair. So, back with the second pair. Real khaki.
And it's more like a greenish color, don't you think?
It definitely looks green. So yeah, I see that. See it up close. Let me look into the actual lens. And it goes with my makeup and my dress perfectly. If y'all want to see how that looks in live living color, stay tuned for the pictures. Follow us on Instagram, because that's where we're gonna put all these cute pictures. That's where we're gonna have more descriptions. And then you'll see, like, we'll probably do like some pictures or a trailer or something with all of our contacts in there.
Instagram is the number 2 Moody Chicks, CHICS.
Yeah, so go like and follow us on there. Show us some love and look for these pictures specifically.
And then let us know in the comments, which contacts did you like more? Did you like the first ones, which were the polar gray for me, or do you like these more? And did you like the first one, which was the Euramerican gray, or do you like this color, which is
Real khaki.
Real khaki? So let us know, which set did you like the most? Did you like the more extreme color on me, or do you like the more natural color? And then which one of the lenses that Sita wore do you like the best? So let us know, and don't forget to use that coupon code, the number 2 Moody Chicks. We'll have the link down in the description box, so that way if you do want to purchase the contact lenses, you guys can use that coupon code to get what is it off? 10%?
Yeah, I think so.
To get 10% off. So 10% off of like 30, that's a good deal. So definitely go ahead and use that coupon code and rack up, baby. Get you some lenses, you know, get you some different looks going, you know what I'm saying?
Looks. We gave y'all 4 to choose from.
LEWKS. Okay?
And let us know if you want to see like some different type of colors, maybe like some blues or some
Yeah,
purples or something. Just let us know what other colors you may want to see.
do you want to see some Halloween colors? Like, what you guys want to see? Let us know. Again, thanks so much for watching. Go to our Instagram and be sure to follow us, so that way you can stay up to date with what's going on. We're always posting in the stories and on the page, the number 2 Moody Chicks. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.